Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin 1040 Solar. First, power on your device by holding the power button for about 2 seconds until the screen illuminates. Next, open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone and follow the on-screen prompts to pair your new Edge 1040 Solar. This process ensures your device is ready to sync data. Finally, complete the initial setup steps, such as selecting your preferred language and entering your personal user profile information for accurate tracking. Navigating with your Garmin 1040 Solar is straightforward. From the main menu, tap the navigation icon to access your saved courses or create a new route. Once a course is selected, the device provides clear, turn-by-turn directions, making it easy to stay on track. The vibrant 3.5-inch display ensures excellent visibility, even in bright sunlight. You can also explore new areas confidently using the preloaded Garmin Cycle Map, which offers detailed road and trail information. Tailoring your data fields on the Garmin 1040 Solar allows you to see exactly what matters most during your ride. You can customize various activity profiles, such as road or mountain biking, to show specific metrics. Each screen can display up to 10 different data fields, providing a wealth of information at a glance. Easily adjust settings to view crucial data like power output, heart rate zones, current speed, and elevation changes, ensuring you have all the insights you need. The Garmin 1040 Solar features Power Glass Lens technology, which significantly extends your battery life by converting sunlight into usable energy. This innovative feature can provide up to 45 minutes of additional ride time per hour when exposed to direct sunlight, allowing for longer adventures without needing to recharge. It's a game changer for endurance cyclists. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.